Hey everybody, this is Nick from CanWeld coming at you from our office in Vaughan, Ontario today. You might notice laid out in front of me, I got 8 different types of tungstens. These are popular sellers for us. There are a few other colors, but these are the big ones. So what I'm going to do is talk to you guys about which ones are for AC, which ones are for DC, and which ones are dual, AC and DC. If I say a rod is DC only, that means it's for steel and mild steel. If I say it's AC only, it's for aluminum. And if I say it's for both, AC, DC, then it's for both. Okay, so I've gone ahead and isolated the 3 DC only TIG welding electrodes that I have right here. So first we have the tried and true, the red. This is what I learned with 20 odd years ago. This is your standard mild and stainless steel DC only TIG welding electrode. Next we have the gold. Gold has an advantage over the red because it accepts a wider range of amperages for it to work well with. So you can go fairly low and you can go fairly high too, making it a bit more versatile for doing the mild steel, stainless steel, DC only. Lastly, we have the gray. Gray is best suited for lower amperages when working with mild steel or stainless steel, DC only process. So next we have all the AC only TIG welding electrodes. First we'll start with green. This is the one I learned how to TIG weld aluminum with 20 odd years ago. They've been around forever, very dependable. Next we have the white TIG welding electrodes. These ones are meant for higher amperages and they're a bit more durable actually, so they won't splinter when you're welding really, really hot. And then lastly we have the brown. Brown holds the ball better at the end of your tip, and also it resists getting fouled if you accidentally make a mistake and you happen to dip into your puddle or whatever. So I would recommend the brown for beginners. And that's it for these ACs. Okay, and lastly we have our AC/DC TIG welding electrodes. So here we have the turquoise ones. Turquoise are known for having a very stable arc. And then we have the blue AC/DC TIG welding electrodes, and these ones are known for being highly durable. And remember, with the AC/DC, these are great because you can do aluminum, mild steel, and stainless steel. So it's kind of a one-stop shopping when you check out these colors. Okay guys, so that pretty much sums it up for this quick video about tungsten electrodes. I hope I answered all your questions, but if you do want any further information, go ahead, leave your question in the comments down below, and I'll make sure that I get back to you on it. In the meantime, thanks a lot for watching guys, stay safe out there, and keep having a lot of fun.